I got a question, where can I find how to create machine captions on Panopto? So I think I have a resource on that at the end of this, but since we have a little bit of time, I'm happy to show you. Let me pull up. Okay, so this is my Panopto homepage. I'm looking at it outside of Canvas, so it looks a little bit different when you look at it inside versus outside. Here's the captioning sample video that I've been using. There are a couple of ways to import the machine captions and to upload your own captions. So first, notice that this one, I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Notice that this video has a little CC next to it, which means I have imported the captions or uploaded captions. These videos, this video here does not have a CC, this one does. So you can see at a glance which ones are lacking captions. Unfortunately, Panopto does not automatically import those captions for you. So that is, once you upload your video, you're probably going to have to wait a little while for it to process, especially if it's long. And then you'll have to go in and import your captions. So if I click on Edit, which is this pencil icon, that's going to open up the editor. I'm going to mute that. And then I can come up here to Captions on the left-hand side. And this will be empty the first time you upload a video, but you will click on Import Captions, and you would say, for the first time you do this, you will say import automatic captions. Mine gives me the option to replace with automatic captions because I already have captions here. But you would basically import your automatic captions. If you don't see that option, it means that your captions are not done processing yet. So you'll have to just come back and then, refresh the page and then try again. And then when they're done, you'll be able to import them. And then to edit them, I can just click here and make changes. So here we go. I can listen to it, and then I can say, and I can just make changes to my captions right here. To save them, I can come up here and click Apply, and then it'll take some time to reprocess, and then it will apply my new updated captions right here. To add captions that, let's say that you originally recorded this in Zoom, and you downloaded your caption file, you made your edits in Zoom and you downloaded your caption file, or let's say that you submitted this for human captioning and then Dave gave you back a human caption file. You can also click on Settings, which is the little gear icon. And you can come over here to Captions, and I can see from here available captions. These are the files that have already been uploaded. So I can download the file from here, and then I get an SRT that looks like a text file. And then I can also choose English, and I can choose a file from my computer, and then I can upload them. So that is captioning in Panopto. And then if you embed this video in Canvas, or if you copy this video from Canvas course to Canvas course, your captions will follow you. So I really like Panopto. I recommend using it. We have separate workshops on how to get started with Panopto if you're interested in doing that. And that's that. I have some resources here for you. How to download and upload things from YouTube, Zoom, Panopto, Canvas, etc., and screencast. And then some different ways to edit captions. So generating and editing transcripts in Zoom, in Panopto. Camtasia has ways to manually add captions if that's what you would like to do. Again, even when you create those captions in Camtasia, if they're closed captions, you're still going to have two files. So when you generate your video file in Camtasia, it's also going to generate a caption file. The exception to that, obviously, is if you do the baked-in captions in Camtasia, which is something that you can do. And then editing captions with YouTube and using auto sync. This is a 2-minute video that shows you how to do that. Yeah, and actually we finished a lot sooner than I was expecting to. So does anyone have any questions, anything that you would like me to demonstrate, anything that I can clarify for you? Otherwise, thank you for being here. I appreciate you coming to learn about captions. And I will see you in 2022 for the updated version of this presentation again.